What's up, guys? Welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be showing you a ring workout that you can be doing with rings that you have. So this is going to be the ones that you hang on a bar. So if you're ready to learn these ring workouts, please leave a like and subscribe. Now let's get into it. So the first one we're going to be doing is, there's two ways you can do it. We're going to be doing an Australian rows, or you can do them in a tuck version. So the first thing you would do, if we're doing an Australian row version, is get a bench, put your feet on there, and just row. So when you're doing these, you can either do them straight up with the bar, or with the rings facing each other, or the other way to work your back. So if you're doing the other way, the tuck friendly version, it's basically a more harder version of doing these Australian rows, but it's the same concept. So, same concept. You just pull up. So if you're doing the Australian row versions, you want to make sure that you're squeezing your back when doing them, and you want to go from about 3 to 8 reps and sets. If you're doing with the tuck friendly version, you want to go maybe about 3 to 5, or you can do them with an L shape to make it a little easier as well, instead of doing your knees tucked to your chest. So same concept, and it's a little, like I said, it's a little more harder than the Australian rows. The next thing we're going to be doing is ring push-ups. So if you have a bench, same concept as the Australian rows. You would just have your feet on there, a little more higher than on the rings. That is not what you want to do, but mistakes happen. Kind of like you're almost doing a dip, but it's more like an incline push-ups. For these, you want to go for 3 to 6 sets and reps. The next thing we're going to be doing is ring dips. So if you have the ring a little low, you can either have them a little high, depending on your situation. You would just jump up and just go down and then come back up. It's the same motion as you'd be doing if you're doing on regular dips. So, like I said, same motion as you're doing if you're doing regular dips. You would just feel it more in your chest, more than compared to doing it if you're doing on the bar dips. So when doing these, you want to have your elbows closer to your back or your sides, and just go down slowly and come back up slowly as well to get more tension. The next thing we're going to be doing is lower these a little bit, and you can do ring curls on these. It's the same thing as you would be doing if you were doing bar curls. Same concept, because you're just going to be curling with your biceps and not with your chest. So this is what you don't want to be doing. You don't want to be doing that. You want to curl with it to flex your biceps. And then go back down. Squeeze the biceps. Take your time with it. And go in a rowing fashion. So those are some of the ring workouts you can be doing if you have rings. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.